demo, we're going to showcase the Aircraft Compliance Artificial Intelligence Safety Tool. This tool will take actual audio from flights on December 10th, 2018 and process them to determine if there's any type of anomalies that are detected. For example, the aircraft is above or below its expected altitude, heading, or speed. The way this demo works is we'll take the actual audio transcripts and insert them into a natural language understanding service, and using artificial intelligence we'll then determine what type of anomalies are present, and then we'll log those anomalies in our dashboard. Later in the demo I'll actually show you what the actual live speech to text looks like, and we'll actually get some live audio from the Atlanta airport. So let's go ahead and start the demo by clicking on Connect and starting the process. There's approximately 18,800 transcripts from December 10th, and these are primarily arrival-based transcripts, and they've been processed and put into our data warehouse. As the data starts filtering in, you can see a number of things. First, we have the actual audio transcript, which will show what's coming back from speech to text. You'll also see a timestamp and other information like the flight identifier, the speed, the altitude, heading, radio, waypoint, and the actions. As this process occurs, we're matching it up against a real flight object in our database. So we actually have to match it up. In some cases, we may not find an actual flight object. From there, we'll actually look to see if there's actually an anomaly that occurs. In some cases, we may not have a heading or a waypoint, but as you can see here, we're looking for specific actions like turn right heading or maintain speed. As you can see, the small toast just popped up telling us that an anomaly was detected, and we're only 18 items into the transcripts. So let's scroll up and look at the actual anomalies tab, which is right here. And as you can see, Delta Flight 2367 already is showcasing a couple of anomalies. As you can see here, we're expecting that the aircraft is at 6,100 feet. We see the position time, but actually it's not within the threshold that's supposed to be identified for this flight, so we flag it as an anomaly. We also have the capability of going in and looking at some charts. The charts will actually give us some data and show what type of anomalies are showing up and the anomalies by type. So it gives us a nice indicator. We can actually refresh this as the data comes in, and we can see that we have some anomalies that show a descend and maintain issue, maintain speed, and maintain altitude. As I mentioned earlier, we were using data from December 10th, 2018. But what is it like when you actually have live speech-to-text data coming in from the Atlanta airport? What you're seeing right now is actually a live data stream of audio coming in from 8 different audio streams from departures, arrivals, and ground. This data actually is coming in. As you can see, it's June 2nd of 2019, so it's not December 10th. You can also see what gate it's coming in. This is Atlanta ground 826. You can also see some other data down here, such as app final. So this is a approach particular gate that's coming in. And you can also see the actual transcript that's coming in. This is the actual raw transcript that we use for the natural language understanding in the previous part of the demo. This data is taken and information such as the flight number is extracted, what type of actions are we dealing with, and other things such as the altitude, the speed, and the heading. And all this data is actually coming in live. And there's 8 different channels that we process currently. As you can see from this, in some cases the strings can be very small. In this case, Delta 1701. And this is actually coming from the actual controller or pilot communication that's coming back.